Hello, and welcome to the Mind and Body Challenge video tutorial on how to measure the waist, hips, and flexibility accurately. First, let's start with the waist. Alright, let's measure the waist. So you're going to want to find a chair so you can operate comfortably, measuring the hips and waist. Have the participant turn perpendicular to you, creates a nice, safe, appropriate measuring space. Have them lift their arms, and you're going for the smallest measurement between the rib cage and the hips. Smallest measurement you can find. Have the participant exhale all their air out. Measure, give a little bit of a tug. You want to get rid of the close factor, but make sure you're not squeezing them. Now the hips. With the person still facing perpendicular to you, put the measuring tape around their hips. Ask them to put their feet together. And on the hips, we want to measure the widest part that we can find. So you put the tape over the widest part of the, we call it gluteal ridge, so that that'll be our consistent baseline in which to measure from for the future. So move it up and down a few times, get the biggest measurement you can, and again, just like on the waist, give it a little tug to cancel out the close, but not the person. So get your measurement like that, readjust a few times to assure accuracy, and write it down. And last, everybody's favorite, the flexibility assessment. This is my rig. I like to tape my measuring tape down to the floor. The big piece of tape in the middle there is what I call the heel line, which you put your feet up to. It's basically like ground zero. This instance I used 120 inches. It'll represent 0. Anything above the heel line will be considered plus, as in plus 1 inch, plus 2 inches past that heel line. Anything behind the heel line is considered minus 1 inch, minus 2 inches, and so on. So Angie's getting comfortable here, getting ready. She's going to put her heels up to the line like that. And so basically you're going to get 3 tries to reach as far as you can. You're going to hold each try for 5 seconds and overlap your middle fingers, and that's what's going to reach down the measuring tape while you go. No bouncing. And each try, take 1 deep breath in and blow it all out. Here goes Angie's first try. She's going to reach as far as you can, sliding her middle fingers down the tape. Count to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. She'll relax. So first try is usually pretty tight. She did very good. She got about +2 there. And so, have them relax, shake it out, and then they get to try the second try when they're ready. So again, deep breath in. Here she goes. Reach a little bit farther. Kind of give them a mark. Spur them on. Say, come on, 1/4 inch, another 1/4 inch. You're almost there. Count backwards for them, and then have them relax. A little bit farther, twice as far, about 4.5 inches there. So she's getting ready for her third try. Deep breath in, blow out all your air, release all your tension, let go, reach up the tape as far as you can, relax down into it, count backwards, spur them on, another 1/4 inch, come on, go for it, and that's your measurement on the third one. Looks like about 5.5. So that is how you perform the flexibility assessment.